Hello guys, this is Mokre and welcome to the Slavish channel. Today I will show you how to breathe tutorial. Maybe someday you will forget how to breathe and this tutorial can help you survive. Do not skip the tutorial. So, first step, you have to learn the two steps in the breathing. First step is inhale and the second step is exhale. So inhale means you get the air inside your lungs and exhale means you get the air outside the lungs. We will say inhale will be 1 and exhale will be 2, like this, 1, 2. The two steps has to be 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, not like 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, or not like 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1. Just remember the two steps are 1, 2, 1, 2, like this. Inhale. Step 1. Exhale. Step 2. Inhale. Step 1. Yeah. Exhale. Step 2. Please watch. If I try to do 1, 1, 2, I will not be able to do it. And I will literally die in 5 seconds. 1. I cannot do the step the first time, the first step again for the second time. So we will do the normal way. Let me show you that we cannot also do 2 to 1. Yeah, like we are in 1. We cannot do it like this. We have to do 1, 2, 1, 2. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed this channel. Please like, share and subscribe. I do not care. Thank you and have a nice day.